Constitution, Section 36A4C of the Criminal Procedure Code, and Section 33(4)C of the Prevention of Terrorism Act. B, the police are hereby allowed to hold the respondents in detention for a period not exceeding 30 days from the 3rd of May 2023. C, the respondents shall be detained at the various police stations as proposed by the state for the period aforesaid. E, during the time of detention, the respondents shall be granted reasonable access to their advocates and family or any other person whose assistance will be necessary. The access will include the right to communicate privately with their advocates. F, the respondents shall have the right to communicate whether by telephone or other means with any person of their choice, and the persons in charge of the facilities at which the respondents are held shall facilitate the communication. G, the respondents shall be accorded medical examination, treatment, and health care whenever such need arises.
That they have been sleeping on the bare floor from the day they were arrested in custody. They sleep on the cement. And as far as now, they feel in this rain season, already their lungs are wet and they have pains in their ribs. There are high chances that they could contract pneumonia. If they are to continue being kept in that state, Your Honor, we know that they can die even before investigations are over. The possibility of death. Or a possibility of this trial delaying in the event if there has to be a trial because of their bad health. We pray that they be supplied with mattresses. Your Honor, from the time they complained about food, they feel they are not being punished because of their complaint. Yes. Because the quality of the food has reduced and is now even awful. I wish to tell the court that
So they are confirming that they are being given food and the quality.
I'm saying the quality of the food is such that I want to explain what I mean by quality. They are given ugali. That is the only meal that is there, with a splash of an extract from beans, a splash of a liquid that could be an extract from beans. Such to say it does not qualify to be called bean soup. They feel that it has worsened because they complain. We are saying that they should not be mistreated. Let us have them being held in the right way. Just in the right way. We are not making any exaggerations. What we are saying is also to the best of the knowledge where they are being held. This money has not been returned, or its whereabouts we don't. We would like the state to tell us if they want to use it as exhibit, that is all right. You can have that record. If they don't intend, it could be released to them and it can be helpful. It can be helpful even for the